Hey y'all, I wanted to share a new Halloween collection that I'm going to be crafting with. I received these in the mail. They are from Creative Expressions. These designs were actually created by Tailor Made Journals. You can find her in her Etsy shop as Tailor Made Journals. Or you can go over on Facebook and look her up under Lorna Taylor. And I will link her information in the description box if you are on my YouTube channel, and in the comments if you are on my TikTok. So I am just going to show these. This is a set of clear stamps called Trick or Treat. They're really cute. These are good quality stamps. I use an acrylic stamp block to stamp with these. This one has a little haunted house. It says Happy Haunting on this word stamp. There's a set of bats. This little dancing skeleton. Super cute ghost right here. Absolutely adorable little pumpkin-headed, shy little pumpkin-headed guy here. A mummy, another phrase that says trick or treat, a happy Halloween here, and this says boo. And this is the size where you can see they're pretty large stamps. And then this stamp set is called Vintage Halloween, and there's this witch on a broom with a black cat here and a couple of bats and a moon behind her. And October 31st, a word that says Halloween, a couple of different bats, and then a collection of bats. This cute little owl with a spooky tree and a moon. Two different pumpkins, another word that says spooky here, and this black cat. And you can see the size here. And then there's also a stencil called Stars and Moons. And this one is a 6x6. And then she also released a Distress Plaid paper pad for Halloween. These are 8x8 sheets. They are acid-free paper, so if you're a stickler for having acid-free paper to make scrapbooking projects, memory journals, photo books, things that you want to use acid-free paper in, these are acid-free. And there are 24 sheets in each pad. There are 6 different designs, and you get 4 of each. And I will flip through this paper pad. Now I did tear the corner here. And I've already pulled some sheets out, but I saved the corner because when you're a junk journaler, you save everything. I might need that little piece for something, a tag, a little stamp, something. So because I've already pulled sheets out of the front, I'm gonna flip this over and we'll look at it from the back. Now the front of each sheet and the back of each sheet are a different pattern. I really like this purple and this sheet. Grungy here. I like this orange. This is really cool for Halloween. And then a green sheet here. And then it starts over. And this is nice paper. It's good quality. So if you are interested in purchasing these, they are from Creative Expressions. And I will link some information below. So I will be making some projects with this stuff. And posting videos I've been doing a whole lot of stuff around my property and have not had time to edit very many videos. I have a camera full of videos that I need to edit and get posted, and I know I am always behind on that, you guys. But it is what it is, and I'll work through it, and hopefully you guys will hang in there with me like always. Thanks for being supportive. Appreciate y'all watching. Have a good evening.